Okay, so this is going to be the calculator steps on how to get everything into the calculator. I did have to use a different app for this, but you can see the work from class or from the note video. So if you want to type in, like on number 1 where we did 5 tangent of 50.1. Whoops. I need to make this a tiny bit. There we go. 50.1. And we want to get that value. But the one thing I was telling you is you do want to make sure your mode is in degree mode. So if you hit mode, scroll down to where it says radian, where you see it flashing, and scroll over to degree and hit enter so that the word degree is highlighted there. So then you want to second quit. And as you can see the buttons on the right here that I'm pushing to get these done. And then we want to hit enter and you'll see how I got that answer of 5.98. Let's try the next one on number 2. You don't have to do the degree or the mode every time. It'll stay in degree mode. So then we can just type in 11 times the cosine of 60. And you will see that you get the 5.5 that I got there as well. Same thing with the very last one on number 3, 10.8 divided by sine of 57 is going to give you the 12.88 that I gave you as well. So hopefully those steps there help you with that. I am going to clear this key press history so that you can see the next steps that we're going to do. I'm going to go to the next page. So this is the other thing where these steps may have been a little bit difficult for you. So I want to make sure you're understanding what you're doing in the calculator here. We're still in degree mode, and your calculator should stay in degree mode for all of this that we're doing. So here where I said you need to do the inverse cosine, the way you do that is you hit second cosine, and it gives you that cosine -1, and then we type our fraction of 12 divided by 13. Close our parenthesis, and it gives us our number of 22.6. With the degrees, you do only want to do one decimal place. You don't really need any more than that. One decimal place is plenty. So then let's check number 8. So we want to do inverse cosine again. So you hit second cosine because you see that the second button is the blue button, and then the cosine to the -1 is what's written in blue above the cosine button. So that's why it gives us that inverse. So 6 divided by 9 and enter, you get that 48.2. And then last but not least, let's do inverse tangent of 4 divided by 13. And that is going to give us our answer of 17.1. So if you like this calculator that you see that I'm using on my screen, you can download it for free. It is on my website. If you just go to the homepage, it's the TI-84CE button. If you'll click that, you can download it. It is free, I think, for 6 months or something from whenever you download it. It's a really nice app, and it does show you all this. You can hide all this key press stuff if you don't want that, but it is nice to have these fancy calculators. It's just like the ones that we had in class. Hope this video helped you. And if you do have more calculator questions, we will talk about that in class.